Hey, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and in this video, I'm going to show you the 7 best PLR websites of 2023. So PLR refers to private label rights, which in this case is informational content which you can resell or use in a membership website or rebrand as your own or incorporate into your course. There's a lot of different ways that you can use PLR content. I personally mostly use it to help me with social media content creation. But as I mentioned, you can also use it for blogs, you can use it for course creation, you can use it for pretty much any content creation or other writing purposes that you need. And it comes in the form of PDFs, which often have documents accompanying them that you can easily edit. It comes in the form of video courses. It comes in the form of different types of products like that. And a lot of beginner online business owners find that PLR really helps them get started because there's a lot of moving parts when you're starting an online business. And if you have some PLR, it can really help you just easily get your content done. And then people who are a bit more experienced at online business also find PLR very helpful because it just gives them an easier path to go from having an idea of what they want to do to actually creating that content so they can move on to something else. And I'm looking at my blog article about this here. I'll link to the blog article in the description in case you'd like to read that, but it's going to refer to the same videos. And I did a video about the 5 best PLR websites of 2022 last year. So I found 2 new ones that I really like, and the order shuffled a little bit based on what I'm finding the most valuable. And be sure to pay attention because several of these websites, I have special deals with them, where if you sign up with my affiliate link, you can get some free credit or some free PLR. And so if you're not sure if you want to make a purchase just yet, that's going to be really helpful to you. And if you are looking for something specific, then hopefully I'll be able to explain the best place to find that in this video. So the first one we're going to look at is called PLR ebook supplier. Now, PLR ebook supplier actually doesn't have quite as large a library of content as some of its competitors. However, I really like the fact that it's fairly focused on online business and digital marketing and things like that. It does have PLR in a bunch of different categories, but a lot of them are very focused at online business. Like, for example, it's not just necessarily wellness content. It might be content for online wellness coaches, or it might not just be fitness content. It might be content for online fitness coaches. And so since I am an online marketer and I'm also working on an online course right now, I find that really helpful. And they've got some specific products that I really like. And the other thing I really like about it is that there's more different ways that you can invest in their PLR. So I'm going to go through those really quickly right now. First, of course, you can buy individual products. If you scroll down, you can see some of their best-selling products right here. And they've all got prices, so you can just buy these the way that you would buy anything on a normal e-commerce website. But then they also have memberships, and monthly memberships are a really popular way for PLR websites to share their content because you can pay monthly fee and then you get a certain amount of downloads per month. And you may also get some other benefits with that. For example, you can see on the Gold PLR, the middle tier of their membership here, you get a cover design template and you get an SEO report for ebook related keywords, and you get a 35% discount on all additional downloads that you want. So if you find that you want to use a lot of PLR in your business, or there's a lot of products here that you want to access, then a membership can be a really good way to do that because you don't have to buy them all at once. You can just pay for the membership on a monthly basis. And then each month you get your credits, you get your downloads, and you have all the other things that you're going to benefit from there. The next option that they have, which is really the most unique thing about PLR ebook supplier, is their done-for-you pre-built PLR websites. So as I mentioned, one of the main ways that people make money with PLR is just by buying the PLR, which means you get the content. But when you buy PLR, you also get private label rights, which means that you can resell that content and even rebrand it as your own. And some content is actually called MRR, which stands for Master Resell Rights. And so with Master Resell Rights, you can resell the content, but you can't rebrand it as your own. So just make sure you pay attention to what you're getting. But regardless of whether you are reselling it as is or you're rebranding it and then reselling it, one of the most straightforward ways to make money with PLR is just to buy it and then resell it. And of course, one of the easiest ways to do that is to set up a e-commerce website, much like this one, where people can browse through your products and buy whatever they want. And so PLR ebook supplier actually has 2 different types of pre-built websites that you can get. They have this one, which is the pre-built PLR website. And then they have their super franchise website, which is a little bit more expensive, but it comes with a whole lot of extra features. If I get down to the chart here, it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. And so if you're looking for an easy to start and relatively inexpensive online business model, then this can be a really good path. So you can see down here the features. You get access to a whole bunch of products and tutorials and 100% of the profits from what you sell and customer support on the standard plan. And then on the super franchise plan, you get even more products. You get the same training and everything. You get better customer support. You get help setting up ads. You get help with logo design and a bunch of other stuff. So if you're interested in starting your own PLR website, one of those options can be a really good way to get started. It can save you a lot of hassle. And of course, since this is a PLR website, they know how to set up a PLR website. So they can make your life a lot easier if that's what you want to do. And then lastly, I just want to take a quick look at one of their particular products, which is this one right here. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. But if you've been on my channel before, then you probably know that I do a lot of videos about AI writing software, including ChatGPT. And so this is a complete ChatGPT PLR course for just under $50. And if you tap on read more here, it's got a description of all these units that it has. It really does a good job of exploring all the different possibilities and ways that you can use ChatGPT. And it includes a 20-page ebook guide, graphic files, video files, and audio files. So that gives you a lot of stuff to work with, and there's a lot that you can learn from that. The next PLR website we're going to look at is PLRme, and this is absolutely one of my favorite websites. My favorite things about PLRme is that it's very high quality content. They're constantly uploading new content in a whole bunch of different topics, and you get 2 free credits every month. So as you can see, I've got 2 credits here that I haven't used yet this month. And on top of that, if you sign up with my affiliate link, which will be in the description along with all the other affiliate links, you get 10 free credits to start off. So if you sign up with my affiliate link, you'll get 10 free credits. I believe you'll also get another 2 free credits for that month. And then every month after that, you'll get 2 more free credits. And they have all types of different content, from courses to articles to all types of different stuff. And you purchase products on PLRme using credits. So you can buy a lump sum of credits and then use them to buy products. Or you can get a recurring membership, which gives you a bit of a discount, and you get a fixed number of credits each month, as well as access to some really great software and training. And so I definitely recommend signing up for a free account here, because you'll get those 10 free credits right away, so you can get some PLR. And then if you find anything that's really good for your niche while you're on here, then you can get that as well. And this is just a sample of some of their newest products. You can see that they've got over 18,000 products on here, and just some of the latest ones include a content mapping worksheet and slide deck, a bunch of products related to that. We've got some kind of affirmation and reflections things. I challenge myself every day. This one's about kind of health and well-being, about taking care of your skin. This one's about parenting. So they have just a massive range of different categories and topics of content that they cover, as well as different kinds of content within that. And, whether you want something that's 1 credit like this, which is, you can get that for free, or if you want something that's a bit more expensive, like 15 credits, which, you would have almost enough if you sign up for a free account with my link, and then you could just buy a couple more credits, you'd be able to get that. So they kind of have something for everyone, and the pricing is very, very accessible, which is why I really like PLRme. And they also have a very simple licensing system. As I mentioned before, there are different types of PLR. There's private label rights, there's master resale rights, and on PLRme, everything is PLR rights. Everything that they sell on their site, I believe, uses a single license, which you can find on their website. So I think that's really good and makes it very clear and convenient. All right, the next one we're going to talk about is PLRDatabase. And PLRDatabase, I think, is probably the most affordable monthly subscription. It's very, very inexpensive, and there is a lot of really good PLR here in a lot of different categories, and they add new stuff all the time. So I think that's great. And they also have a lot of free products. So very much like PLRme, you can sign up for a free account here, and then you can download some free stuff. Although unlike PLRme, where you just get a certain amount of credits every month that you can spend for free, PLRDatabase just has specific products that are absolutely free, and you just need to sign up for a free account, and then you can download those products. And then if you want the premium products, then you just need to get their membership. And there's only really 1 tier of the membership, but you can get it monthly, or you can get it quarterly, or you can get it annually, and you actually save a lot of money if you go quarterly or annually over monthly, but the monthly subscription is not very expensive at all. So just to take a quick look at the membership tiers, as I mentioned, there's the free tier, which includes unlimited free downloads, and you get the full license of whatever the product license is. And then the next 3 tiers are all the same subscription, but as I mentioned, you save money if you get it quarterly or annually instead of monthly. So for $10 a month, You get unlimited downloads of all of their products, or you can spend $25 every 3 months and you get, again, unlimited downloads. It's just a little bit of savings. And then if you want to go annual, then you only spend $49 a year, and you have, of course, access to all of their downloads with full licenses. The next one on my list is called Tools for Motivation. And Tools for Motivation is a little bit different than the others because all of the other websites really cover a pretty wide range of niches. They have content in a whole bunch of different categories, whereas Tools for Motivation is almost entirely focused on personal development PLR. So it's very good for people who work in kind of like mental health or wellness fields. It's also very good for things like life coaches and business coaches. And there's actually a lot of different ways and different types of businesses that can use personal development PLR. Because, for example, I'm a digital marketer and I'm on my YouTube channel, of course, and in the course that I'm working on, I teach digital marketing and writing. But a part of that is being an online business owner. And there's a lot of people out there who have like a normal 9-to-5 job and they would really like to switch to being a business owner or switch to being a freelancer, but they're not sure how to do that because it kind of requires a different set of skills, a different set of motivations, and it's a very different feel, plus it's a bit of a risk. So you really have to develop a certain type of mindset in order to be willing to go from, being a full-time or a part-time employee to 100% committing to your own business or to your freelancing career. And so that's the kind of thing that I could potentially use this content with. They have a lot of great stuff, and they're always adding new products and doing big discounts on different products. So if you get on their email list, they'll send you a couple special deals a week, and you can always take advantage of those. The next website on the list is BigProductStore, and BigProductStore has been around for a long time. Don't be fooled by this kind of garish banner. They have a lot of great products, including a lot of free products, as you can see here. And they have two different types of membership. There's their basic membership and then their ultimate membership. And you can get each of them as a monthly payment or as a one-time payment. And I think that you can also buy their products individually if you want to. But from what I've seen, most people tend to go for their memberships. And like I said, they've been in the business a long time. They know how to produce good content. And I believe they're very proud about the fact that they always upload at least one new piece of content every day. So you're never going to run out of new content when you're working with them. And the second last website on the list is IDPLR. IDPLR is also a very old, well-established PLR site, and it's gone through some slow times recently. They used to do about 1 or 2 new products a week. And then for a while, it seemed like they were only doing a few a month. But then this month, which is September of 2023, they've uploaded like 6 or 7 new products already. So I think that they are really getting back into the business of creating a lot of content. They also kind of overhauled the design of their website, and it's loading a lot faster than it used to. So that's nice. And if you just come here and click on latest products, you can see this one's September, this one is September, 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 September. So it's like 5 or 6 or 7 new uploads this month, and that includes most of their products. What they do is they have a PDF that you can use as like a front-end product or as a lead magnet, and then they have a video course that goes with that PDF, and so that way you can use it as an upsell, which is a really great way to sell PLR. And you can do it as like an upsell, an automatic upsell in a funnel, or you could just sell them the PDF and then like a week later email them and offer them the video course at a discount or something like that. And I like IDPLR because they have a ton of variety and they do upload good content fairly consistently. And it is just a one-time membership. There's a bunch of bonuses that you get when you sign up for it. I think it's about $100. And then you just have the membership for life and you can download all the products that you want. So whenever I want to learn something new, one of the first places that I go is IDPLR, and I'll just see if they have any video courses or PDFs that I want to learn from. And then I can download them because I have the lifetime membership. And the last one that I wanted to look at is PLRproducts. PLRproducts is a little bit more basic than the others because it's just a straight up kind of old school e-commerce experience where you go to the website, you can add whatever products you want to your cart. They're very, very reasonably priced, and you buy them. There's no like funnels or memberships or DFY websites or anything like that. And they're kind of similar to IDPLR in that for a while it seemed like they weren't putting out a lot of new content, but now they are. If I click on new products here, you can see they've got PLR about AI writing. They've got PLR about video marketing. Here's one about ChatGPT plugins. So they've got a lot of great stuff as well. And if you're just looking for individual products, then it's very reasonably priced. And so if you can find what you're looking for here, then it's a great place to grab it. All right, so those are the 7 best PLR websites of 2023. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you check the description, in addition to the affiliate links that I have for each of these websites, you'll also find links to some of my other videos on PLR. I have like 4 or 5 tutorials that show how to use PLR for different types of content creation, like social media, blog writing, idea generation, all kinds of different stuff like that. So there will be some links to other videos there. And of course, the link to this article on my blog in case you want to read it, and the affiliate links to all the products. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.